This video shows how to buy shares of Orange, the French telecommunications company. Orange trades on Euronext under the ticker ORA.PA, and this is an educational guide, not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker, and we will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds to make a purchase. Use the platform search to find the company by name or ticker. Type ORA.PA into the search bar and select the Orange listing on Euronext to locate the correct stock. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for historical context. Confirm the page displays Orange and the ORA.PA ticker so you are on the right listing. To invest, click on Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest. Review any fees in the order details, then confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until it opens. And if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. After the order executes, your position will appear in your portfolio. A link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to follow the same steps.